we have a footpath, and we have a road, and we have stormwater. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the French Quarter in Siem Reap, and doesn't it look superb with its new roads and new paving? It is fantastic. So if you would have been watching and following along with all the things that happened during the lockdowns, not really lockdown, but during the spicy cough in Siem Reap, they tore the joint up and they redid all the roads. So in this video we're going to take you through, I think we're going to walk along the riverfront and just show you some of the changes that have occurred along there. And in another video I'll take you through Pub Street, and I might take you through some of the other areas in Siem Reap. So come along on a little walk. So first up, look at this nice lane markings here, zebra crossing, fresh stop sign, fresh no turn left sign. Just looks bloody marvellous. Here's a couple of barang here, which is good to see. And old mate's taking no chances with the high medical grade mask that he's wearing. Oh, look at the riverside. Righto. It's nice and clean. It's getting pretty dark, but that's okay. I think this is LED strip lighting, so that will light up all on there and look quite pretty at night. Kinal is with her friend, we call her Miss America, Kerry, from the deep south. She was one of Kinal's mates from many years ago, and she's just come back for the first time since about 4 or 5 years, I think. You'll see her in a couple of our Topic Tuesdays. I think Jeremy and Claire, you guys had a look at this pier when it was being built, or was it Dave, one of you guys? And it's still here, which is good. Hasn't floated away or gotten mouldy just yet, but what a nice spot just to have a sit and get smashed by the mozzies. Look, people over there enjoying it, they're just having a sit. What a view, what a lovely view. This looks like it's been put together to a reasonable standard. Although someone went a bit AWOL there with the circular saw, it looks like. I'll take you through some of the other streets in probably another video. But overall, the feeling in Siem Reap is it just feels a little bit more, well, not a little bit, but a lot cleaner. The fact that they've got designated footpaths and roads and gutters and whatnot, and far more organised along some of the bigger and busier roads. So you don't have these, ad hoc parking and random drive-up purchases that people used to do on motorbikes. So it is quite a nice place to scoot around on, albeit we're scooting around in a tuk-tuk. Here's a new sign here, KFC, free delivery. I don't know if I'd have KFC here. Far better food choices than the Colonel when you're in Siem Reap. Our shitty colour for a Prius. Sorry guys. There's one of those mornings. I think this lady missed the memo of which way to go up the bridge. I love this. Here's old mate carrying a ladder and a couple of air conditioners on a bloody thingo. Magic. Oh no, Max is wearing Miss America's cap. It's all pretty orderly on this bridge, isn't it? The views from the river. Beautiful views. Wouldn't that look nice on a nice clear day? A little bit of traffic chaos as the kids leave school. Look at this. Muchos tráficos. Look at that Prius in the middle. You just can't help these Prius drivers, I'm sorry. They're gonna cut him off too. Absolute dick move right here. Sorry, knackers. What do you think so far of the riverfront area? Does it feel a bit different?
I think I tried to keep the hat on his head.
Okay. Cal's got other problems. Because Miss America's hat doesn't quite fit.
But he keeps taking it off anyway.
Yeah, he'll just take it off. So we're across the ridge. Is this Wat Bo now? Yeah, what?
Next one's Watpo Road.
Next one's Watpo Road. So even here, check out the footpath. Look, they've even got drains and orderly parking. Now this is not bad. Oh, close to the gutter there, buddy boy.
It is much better.
It is much better, but I want to show you the, I call it the Lucky Mall Road. What's the Lucky Mall Road called? Sivata Road. That's the glory. So much more organised. But yeah, this is just so, look, even a big drain pit. Isn't that marvellous? Everyone's happy.
And then you have a car park on the footpath.
Then yeah, here you go. It is a probably a 570 Lexus, I dare say. A 570, yeah. I dare say the owner of that car couldn't give two shits because they probably own half the joint. What's this?
Noodles, more like a gyoza.
Gyoza, yeah.
Like dumplings.
Yep.
The Chinese is the best.
There you go. Kerry reckons, Miss America reckons, best gyoza in Siem Reap. Mickey of Siem Reap. For all your gyoza needs. If you've been there and you don't like it, blame her. Oh, this is a gangster Prius. Oh yes. Slammed on its ass with wheelbarrow wheels. Let's go. Excuse me. Thank you. Kerry doesn't know how to cross the road anymore. Watch out for the dog shit. And here we are. Look at this. It's just, I mean, it's order. It's not chaos. It's bloody lovely. But look, guys. The other side of the road's the same deal. There's another gangster Prius.
Second Sawang Nampang Sawan.
Oh, is this a Sawang Nampang number 2?
Yeah.
Ah, do you remember when we had a cheap night out in one of our older videos and I had about 2 beers and was shit-faced, but I had 2 banh mi's? That's their second restaurant on this road here, which is Watpo Road. Watpo Road? Yeah. Give it a go. Very, very good. Yeah, if you want to buy a sister, get yourself to your sister shop. This guy's got batteries. Gloria Jeans is here. Hang on, it's Mr. Grill?
Yeah.
Is this where Mr. Grill is here?
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell.
With the wine shop.
Oh, yeah? We've been to Mr. Grill a few times, folks. It's pretty good. Would you say it's pretty good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. Good variety of food. It's alright. This is why Watpo is popular, I think, with expats, because you've got all these coffee shops, you've got a nice Japanese restaurant, you've got Smile Mart over here, Biolab Coffee. I think Jeremy did a video on Biolab. If I can find a link, I'll put it in there. Have a look, check it out. Did I get my hair cut here?
Yeah, you did.
Which one?
This one.
This one here?
Yeah.
There we go.
What? Oh, the barber?
Oh, there's System Mouth. He got his haircut here too. If you go all the way back to when before I got married, I got my haircut there and it cost me 5,000 Riel. I just asked for a little bit off the sides and the top and the guy gave me a wicked fade, so maybe I'll go back there because I'm looking a bit scruffy.
Where?
There.
No, it was $3.
$3.
And then you gave him $5.
Oh, that's right, I gave him a bit more. Even though he took an axe to my head, basically. Look at this intersection. We've already got a little pothole forming. And one there too. Nice to see the drain. Look at those clouds. Look at this Swift. Brian, you can get Max's tyres here. Let me just take a quick picture for Brian. I'll take a quick video. Brian, you can get Max's tyres here. Do you want me to see if they can order some for your 4x4 and get them shipped back to Australia? Brian's looking for tyres. Oh, have a look at the lights too. Aren't these light poles just lovely? I'll just stand across here so I don't get belted. But check out all these. Oh, lightning. But the lighthouse, aren't they just very pretty? They're bloody magnificent. Well, look, I might bin it here, guys, because we're about to have dinner, and I'm going to make that a separate video. But yeah, I hope you enjoy that walk along the riverfront and around Wat Bo. And stay tuned, we'll do a few more vids in and around Siem Reap so you can get a feel for what the joint's like post all the roadworks. I'll see you in the next video, probably after a couple of cans. Catch us later.